minutes.
Feeling ko may cry.
Me too. Because me and Rana. Me personal Rana.
All, lahat ng
Of
lalabas.
course.
Iiyak
Of
ako.
course, sure.
Iiyak ako. Kahit sino. Sa labas. Sa labas, we're crying too.
Halos.
All, tayo na. Yung text.
But I know it's very stressful. For me, I'm jetting from Germany every time. Back to Philippines, Germany, Philippines.
Water.
No,
C2.
no.
Bakit?
I'm not thirsty. So, that's my problem. I'm not so thirsty. My mom is not that good.
Ano yung reason talaga nung silent yung umiyak ka?
When?
You said hamburger. Ano yung reason? Yung totoo.
Why, huh?
Basta, bakit ka umiyak?
Parang sakit. Because you're thinking that about me. Pero I don't cry so much.
Pero hindi mo pa alam yung reason kung bakit ko sinabi na walang nakakatawa. Hindi mo pa alam kung bakit yung sinabi sa akin yun.
What?
Yun, hindi mo pa alam. Ba't ka umiyak?
I don't cry before, only when you came.
Hindi. Oo nga.
No, I don't cry before. Really, I don't cry before. Only when you come and every time, ano.
Hindi. Oo nga. Pagdating ko doon sa
I don't cry. I really don't cry before. I don't cry before. I'm just laying down thinking that no cry. Only when you come